Unraveling, False Accusation, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as intriguing as it is important: false accusation. Understanding this phrase not only enhances your vocabulary but also helps you grasp a concept that's vital in both everyday conversation and legal contexts. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it matters. False accusation refers to a claim or charge against someone that is untrue or baseless. It implies that someone is being wrongly blamed for something they did not do. This phrase is commonly used in legal settings but can also be found in everyday conversations. It's crucial to understand that a false accusation can have serious consequences, affecting the accused person's reputation, mental health, and even legal standing. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. In everyday life, imagine someone accuses their classmate of stealing a book, but later it's found that the book was just misplaced. This is a false accusation. 2. In the workplace, a coworker might wrongly accuse another of not completing their part of a project, even when they did. 3. In legal contexts, a person might be falsely accused of a crime like theft or fraud, which can lead to legal proceedings, even if they are innocent. Understanding the impact of false accusations is crucial. They can lead to emotional stress. Being wrongly accused can cause significant emotional turmoil. Reputational damage. Even if proven innocent, the accused might suffer lasting damage to their reputation. Legal consequences. In legal scenarios, false accusations can lead to unjust trials or punishments. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. The judge found that the allegations were false accusations and dismissed the case. He faced false accusations at work, which affected his professional relationships. Understanding the phrase, false accusation, is essential for English learners, as it's a common phrase with significant implications. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, use, and impact. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and emotions they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.